1 in 8 kids isn't ready for kindergarten. Is yours? Here are some ways to tell if your child has developed skills in language, math, science, social development, and motor ability. Start by watching your child play. Children learn through playing. Can your child hold conversations, listen, ask and answer questions? Try these simple activities. Get your child talking during regular daily activities. Ask open-ended questions, those that require more than a yes or no answer. Listen and respond when your child asks you a question. Can your child listen to and understand nursery rhymes? Try having a conversation with a book. Relate the story events to real life. Talk about the setting, its characters, and why those characters did something or felt a certain way. Predict what will happen next. Use story plots for pretend play. How about familiar songs and nursery rhymes? Can your child say or sing them? Try this. Say nursery rhymes, sing, and play rhyming games. Point out words that sound alike. Make up your own rhymes. Can your child name and describe objects, places, pictures, and events? Show your child realistic pictures and photos of objects and events. Ask open-ended questions, such as, what can we build with these blocks? Does your child use imagination to create his own stories? Add props or ideas. Encourage your child to tell a story and draw a picture. Can your child use complete sentences? For example, where are we going? Can I have the ball? I want the ball. Ask questions that encourage your child to think deeply and express ideas. Repeat what your child says, adding more information. Listen with your full attention. Can your child follow simple, one-step directions? Try this. Play Follow the Leader. In the game, use words such as over, under, beside, between, etc. Can your child recognize words he or she sees often? Gather labels from cereal boxes. Ask your child what they say. Make signs using words and pictures. Put them around the house, like a sign for washing hands. Can your child recognize his name? Can he try to write it? Write your child's name on his or her clothing, things, and drawings. Provide fun art materials such as sand, string, and paint to use for creative name writing. Help your child name familiar letters. Play letter matching games using magnetic letters, blocks, or cards. Start with uppercase letters, or only those found in your child's name. Spell out words for mom, dad, love, or family names. Expand the game to include other letters, and then lowercase letters. Math and science. Can your child count to 10 or higher? Encourage your child to count by playing count and do games. Use familiar items for counting, such as socks, buttons, Cheerios, and M&Ms. Help your child recognize numbers by keeping lots of numbers in sight. Fill your child's environment with toy clocks, timers, phones, thermometers, measuring cups, anything that has a number. Set a timer and say, when the timer rings, it will be time to read a book. Get a box of 8 crayons and help your child name the colors. Look for items in the room and say the color out loud. Can your child name the basic shapes? A circle, triangle, square, and rectangle? Here's an idea. Go on a shape scavenger hunt in the grocery store. For each hunt, use only one shape and one color. When they've learned one shape, add another. Make shapes with tape and scribbles on paper. Can your child match and sort objects by size, shape, and color? Try this. Give your child colored paper shapes of different sizes. Then say, let's put the ones that are alike together. Afterward, talk about the different sizes and shapes you used. Can your child compare and describe objects and sounds by their shape, size, and color? How about texture, what they're made of, or how fast they move? With your child, collect and explore natural materials. Identify sounds in nature, such as bird calls, crickets, raindrops, and wind. Play listening games, identifying musical instruments. Here are some ways to help your child explore cause and effect relationships. Plant seeds. Draw pictures of your child's growth. Watch ice cubes melt. Play with magnets. Let your children experience ramps, pulleys, and tracks. Play Guess What Will Float and What Will Sink. Mix colors and see what happens. Explore gravity. Ask, what will happen if? Personal and social development.